Hi guys and welcome back. It is Sunday. My husband is out golfing for the day and then he has a fantasy football draft. So I basically have this Sunday to myself and I thought, you know what? It's Labor Day tomorrow. I'm going to be busy all day. I have a fantasy football draft tomorrow. So today would be a great day to film. And I'm really excited to film this video because I've never done it. Today I'm going to be using all high-end makeup. So we're getting a little on the expensive bougie side today, and I'm very excited about it. So if you would like to hang out and watch me play with some expensive makeup, then keep on watching. I have not used this palette in so long, and it's the most expensive palette I own. It is the Natasha Denona Star Palette. Can you even see it with all this daggone lighting? This palette is beautiful, but I do feel like these shades you could get from the drugstore. And if you have been watching me a long time, I am a drugstore whore. I love my drugstore makeup. So actually this was really complicated for me to like get all this stuff because I'm like, oh my God, I've always used a majority of drugstore makeup. So to use all high-end, I was like, whoa. Like, even some of my favorite foundations, some of my favorite concealers are drugstore. So I was like, am I gonna like the way this turns out? I don't know. I think I'm gonna start with my eyes today because I don't know if the camera's even picking this up. But this palette is a mess. Let's see if it can focus. It is, there's like shimmer, glitter all over the place with this palette. So I don't really want that all over my face. That is the one downfall with this palette. With it being so expensive, it's like, dude, like, can it not be so messy? But it's fine. I actually kind of cleaned my brushes because they were effing filthy. So the first shade I'm going to dip in is this one right here. They don't have names. Oh yeah, they do. Just kidding. It's called Flesh. Oh my God, can I get some concealer? See, I never film on weekends. Never do. Never really have. I just feel like I'm thrown off, like I'm not in work mode, even though this isn't my job. But I do this for fun. But just never like in my work mode, so to speak. So I'm just like always a mess when I have filmed on weekends or at night because I am a morning person. So usually when I film either Monday, Wednesdays, or Fridays, like in the morning. And if I do it any other time of the day, any other time during the week, I am thrown off and just not in the right mindset, I feel like. All right, now I'm going to go in with Flesh and just start to pat it all over my eyelid, mainly keeping it more so in my crease. Let me go ahead and tap this eye out before I put shadow on it. I'm taking it all the way up to my brow bone. Giving the drama, giving the drama. I already have like little glitters from the other shades on my eye. That's crazy. I'm going to go in with this brown and then maybe blend it with this color. So I'm going to start out with this one right here. Then I'm going back in with that fluffy brush, the first one that I used, and just start to blend a little bit. I didn't take any more of that Flesh shade back up. I'm just primarily just blending this out. More so the edges. I'm not going directly on my crease yet. So I'm just taking it right above. I think I'm going to also take a little bit of that brown and put it on the outer corner of my eye, just kind of right here, because the main focus that I want of this look is with that like bluish greenish shade. So I'm just going to kind of take this on the outer part of my eyelid. Then I'm just going to go in with my finger in that shade that I was talking to you about and just pack that puppy on. Then to get a little more precise with this shade, I'm going to take a brush like this, just a little guy, I don't even know what you want what you want to call this. And just to get kind of right up here and around, basically like if you were doing a cut crease. I always say this is like a lazy way to do a cut crease. Just because I didn't take concealer or anything like that. So I'm basically just doing a half cut crease in a way, because this shade is so pigmented and creamy. There really wasn't a need for me to go in and do concealer and all that kind of stuff. So anytime I can get away with just doing this, I will do it. Because I am a lazy bee. Then I just go back in with that brush I was using for the browns and just kind of blend the outer edges of this shadow. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go off camera, pop some lashes on, do my brows. I might not do my brows yet because I like to do my brows after I get my base makeup on. I think I'll just pop some lashes on real quick. Hold on. Oh my gosh, you guys, I hate doing winged liner. I am so effing terrible. So at first I was like, dude, I will do like this big wing, you know, have confidence to do it. No, it got so jacked up. I even tried to use tape. I think I've been off camera for like 35 minutes, like no joke, trying to do this stupid wing liner. I don't know why I struggle so hard. I don't know why. So I ended up with this little baby wing, like half my eyeshadow was off of my eyes. Oh, it was a situation, but I'm not giving up. I am still going with this video because first off, I have time today. Thank God, because I might have given up if it was another day. But yeah, so I had to slap some brown back on my eye. And I think I'll have to fix it once, or fix it more once I get everything else on so I can like blend it out or whatnot. But as of right now, you know what? I'm just going with it. Just going with it. I used the Stila liner, which usually I don't mind using it, but it was not having it with me today. So I'm going to move on. For primer, I'm going to go in with my Cover FX Blurring Primer. I love this stuff. Then for foundation, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite foundations of all time. This is the Lancôme Teint Idole Ultra Wear. Probably totally butchering that first part, but this foundation is, I think, the most expensive foundation I own, but it is worth the money. It is worth the money. I'm not sure if I'm trying to convince you or myself of that. Oh my, that just went everywhere. The other day when I did my makeup, when I filmed and I actually went out with my makeup on, I had earrings in and I totally didn't put any makeup on my ears. I went outside and when I got in the truck and looked in the mirror, just because I always like to check my makeup and what it looks like in natural lighting. Oh my God, my ears were like stark white while my face was darker because of my self-tan. Don't forget your ears, people. Do not forget your ears. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I've not used this in so long, and I'm probably going to fall right back in love with it because it is just one of the best concealers I've like ever made. And then I'm going to go ahead and set immediately with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'll probably set it with my Beauty Blender again. instead of the brush because I'm back on that train. Back on it. Mighty God. I forgot how full coverage this concealer is. Jesus. And I forgot how little you have to use because it goes such a long way. So I'm going to be blending the next half an hour. Fantastic. Well, that only took 15 minutes. It's fine. It's fine. I need to dust this off. We're not baking today. Why was it trying to bake today? First off, let me go in with I have it in my hand, my MAC Studio Fix powder. Bring back some color. Need some color back. Alright, let's bronze this face. It's bronze. I'm going to go in, even though I'm not crazy about this bronzer right now, but I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in medium. Like I said in my previous video, sometimes this can make me look muddy. I did clean this brush, so I'm hoping maybe that was the issue because I primarily use my Benefit. Why ain't I using my Benefit Hoola? I have some of that left. Let me get my Benefit. I'm running pretty low on this. That's why I haven't been using it. Like, I've hit pan. I'm have to, like, dig around. The outside, which is fine. I don't care, but I just haven't been up to, like, get any more. Which I kind of wanted to do today. Which I could do because my husband will be gone at his draft. So once he gets back from golf, he'll probably get back from golf around 1. And then his fantasy football draft is at 3, but he's leaving early to get over there a little early. And then I'm picking him up probably around 8 o'clock tonight. So I could actually go to Ulta today. Even though I have no idea what I'm getting. But that's part of the fun of it, right? Alright, now that I have some color, now that I have some color back, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my blush and highlight. Why not? Let's do it. So I'm going to go in with my Tarte Color Wheel palette and take a bunch of shades because that's how I do it. So I kind of go and do like one of these things because I don't care. And then for highlight, I'm going to go in, where did it go? I swear I just saw it. I just saw it. Did it fall? Ah, nope, here it is. I'm going to go in with my Ofra Beverly Hills highlight. And I kind of do the same kind of whoop. I mix everything. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the UrbanDecay All Nighter Setting Spray. Alright, moving back to my eyes. I'm at such like a roadblock because I'm like, okay, do I use brown? Because that's what, you know, this look kind of needs. Or do I throw some color in there? But then I would think like the purple. I don't know. I think I might be a basic bitch today. And just throw some brown on my lower lash line. I'm just taking that same brown that I use like on the outer part of my eye to do this. Then I'm going to take a bigger fluffy brush, yeah, like this. Make sure I didn't clean this one. Oh, that's not bad. And just kind of smoke it out. Then I think I want to take this gold glitter. Is that like I think there's like pressed glitters in here. So I forget which one they are because I haven't used this palette in so long. But I think I'm going to take a little bit of this gold and pop that on my inner corners. Just kind of taking it around. It's kind of making it kind of dark. I'm going to go in with the white shimmer that you just saw in this palette and tap it a little bit over it just to brighten it up a little bit. And it is falling out everywhere. That's all right. That way it just brightens it up a little bit. So you kind of got some gold, silver on that inner corner. Yeah, that looks good to me. Yeah, I'm just kind of putting it on there really sloppy, actually. Like not even being too precise with it, just kind of putting it everywhere. I actually kind of want to put that white a little bit right here. Just to have like some sparkles on the middle. See, I think this is the one where you're supposed to use like a glitter glue, because it's literally like a pressed glitter. Actually, screw it. Let's just kind of rub it all over my lower lash line. Kind of gives those euphoria vibes. Kind of going in with a little bit of that gold. Now I'm going to put some mascara on. This is the Benefit Roller Lash. For lips, I'm going to start off with the Ofra, what is this? The Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Verona. But I am going to top it with some Gerard Cosmetics lip gloss in Buttercream. Buttercream. Okay guys, so here is the final look. I had to change my shirt because that shirt did not go with this eye look and it was driving me insane. So I went even more extra and put on like a glittery top because, yeah, because the eye look, you know, I was trying to match, you know what I mean? I do love this look. A lot of these products are great products. Being high end, I mean, you pay good money for these products. You expect them to do what they say they're going to do. Does this palette have a BAM factor to it? In my opinion, no. I think you can get plenty of great quality products that do the same thing, perform the same, blend the same, feel the same, in other more affordable products. I do not reach for this palette that much. I have it in my collection. You know, and I do like the palette, but I actually don't reach for it as much as other palettes. I just don't. I think my most favorite high-end product that I use today is the foundation. I absolutely adore that foundation. It is beautiful. It is gorgeous. It lasts all day. That foundation is not moving. It's just such a long wear, beautiful foundation. Again, it's the most expensive foundation that I have, and I absolutely love that foundation. I was happy to do this makeup today because I've never done it. I've always kind of wanted to do it, and I really didn't know what to film today. I'm gonna admit I really wasn't that inspired today, and I was just like, but I still want to film, so I'm glad this concept kind of came to me and I was able to film it today. It was fun. Even though the eyeliner gave me shit, ugh, it's fine. It's fine. That is it for this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.